Assalamu alaikum, sir. How are you, sir?
Walaikum salam wa barakatuh. Alhamdulillah, fine. How are you today?
I'm good.
Good, Alhamdulillah.
Which country are you from, sir?
Thank you. My country, Bangladesh.
When did you start working with Sun Life?
Last 3 years, we start in Sun Life.
Why have you continued cooperating with Sun Life?
Well, Sun Life, this is good quality tire. This price also acceptable in this market, and this quality also good. My customer also satisfied after using this tire.
Which Sun Life product sell the best in your market?
Thank you. This 315 22.5, SNL 117, and another tire 315 22.5, SNL 118. This is the first selling this is in market, and 385 65 22.5. This also best sell in UAE market.
What advantages do these products have?
Thank you. This product is good. This fixing is very easy. This is long lasting tire. This is long runway tire.
Are you satisfied with our service? Which aspects do you appreciate most?
Thank you. We are satisfied with your service for Sun Life Victory, and my customer also satisfied after using some Sun Life tire.
How do you see our future cooperation? Do you plan to expand business with us?
Thank you. I want more support from Sun Life Victory and to increase business, more sizes, and more design.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. You're welcome.